Welcome back to this TGIF edition of Lunch at the Market. I know Brad is celebrating the last 6:30 a.m. opening bell for 2010 this morning. He's been out west meeting with clients for 2 weeks now and is looking forward to getting to a 9:30 a.m. opening bell. Hats off to Patty Edwards and Jane Wells, who do this week after week. What a Friday it has been. We sent out tweets this morning that we sold more calls against our stock this week. We've sold calls against our stock in all sorts of names, from U.S. Steel, Nucor, NVIDIA, JDS Uniphase, Teva, Wells Fargo, Foster Wheeler, Weatherford, Mosaic, Chevron, to name many of them. We took profits in Yanzhou Coal, Sun Hydraulics, Ford, our China ETF, PGJ, and a few other names. We're close to 25% cash across the board now. We're sitting on our hands except for really 3 purchases: HSFT, Fire, and now CVU this morning. CVU is the ticker for CPI Aerostructures, Inc., which engages in the contract production of structural aircraft parts for the United States Air Force and other branches of the U.S. Armed Forces as prime contractor or subcontractor for other defense prime contractors, primarily in the United States. The company, as a prime contractor, offers skin panels, leading edges, flight control services, engine components, wingtips, cowl doors, nacelle assemblies, and inlet assemblies for military aircraft. We do like the aerospace sector right now, and we've been waiting for a pullback. We started a very small position in them this morning. They trade with a 16 PE on 73-cent EPS. It's a small cap company, so it's not terribly liquid, but it's been on our radar for weeks now and finally pulled back from its 52-week high. We initiated a position at $12.15, and we'll see where it trades from here. After complaining about not getting our Jack, that symbol for Jack in the Box, not getting our calls yesterday, we were finally filled for June 2011 22.5 calls for $2.90. We started a small position there as well, and we'll be looking to take advantage of the growth in CMG, though its only competitor, Qdoba Mexican Grill, which is owned by Jack. We also love the rebranding that's coming to Jack in the Box stores. The new logo is terrific, unlike the catastrophe with Gap, and it worked for Family Dollar. It can certainly work for Jack. We did start selling December 60-55 put spreads for Boeing, symbol BA, this morning on the dip below 65. If you're short the November 65-60 put spreads, you can roll into December 60-55 spreads and wait it out. We do think this dip in Boeing is a buy. The plane should be delivered next year, and having all the delays means that this plane will be terrific when it finally ships. It's way better to have issues now before they deliver the aircraft than during the commercial flight. They have some of the best engineers in the world over there, and this, like the other issues, will be fixed. The S&P has broken 1200 several times today, and we think a close below it means more selling to come. We've been selling for many weeks now and have quite a stash and quite a shopping list should this continue into next week. Therefore, we are hesitant to sell too many December OPEX put spreads until we see what the market looks like closer to Friday. We'll be taking cheap spreads we're short off the table next week so that there are no surprises. We don't have anything going against us right now, but Bank of America is certainly threatening us. We'd like to be done with that position for now, and we're still long plenty of stock. We'll keep you posted. CRE, Salesforce.com, and JP Morgan look great. Apple, Netflix, and Bank of America may be scary next week. We'll see what we come into on Monday. Good luck out there. Keep your positions small and carry lots of cash. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.